Hi students, my name is Reese. Welcome to Procedural Coding Week 1. Today we're going to talk about HCPCS codes, and the abbreviation stands for Healthcare Common Procedural Coding System. The Level 2 HCPCS codes are national codes that represent physician and non-physician services, and it also represents procedures, supplies, products, and services. The HCPCS codes are used to adequately describe the procedure, service, or item that cannot be found in the CPT manual or when a payer requires Level 2 codes instead of a Level 1 code. Claim submission for HCPCS codes are mandatory on all Medicare and Medicaid claims submitted for payment of services from allied health professionals. Many third-party payers also require the use of HCPCS codes when submitting bills for non-Medicare patients. The structure of the HCPCS Level 2 codes consists of 5-digit alphanumeric codes. It begins with an alpha character A through V, excluding S, and then the alpha character is followed by 4 numbers. So I've provided some examples of some HCPCS codes. And here you can see where it begins with the G, the alpha, and then ends with the 4 digits 0396, and that's for an alcohol, substance abuse, non-tobacco. The assessment intervention time is 15 to 30 minutes. And then if you look at the one right under it, G0397, it's a little bit different with the alcohol, substance abuse, non-tobacco, but the assessment and intervention time is greater than 30 minutes. And so you can see if you look at the rest of the codes, they kind of go in alphanumeric order. And that's how we'll be able to look up the codes once we get started. Next, let's talk about content. So the HCPCS Level 2 content includes 5 content areas, the first one being Introduction, which provides information regarding the content and usage of the manual, explains the effective dates of the codes, the code section, the organization, how to use the manual, and then it also helps in understanding the content, format, and conventions. And then the next content item is Index, and it includes the alphabetical listing of procedural services and items recorded in the patient's record. Next, we have the table of drugs, and that table would include the drug name, the route of administration, the unit and dose, and then the code. And then next, the code section, which has the 5 alphanumeric characters, the first digit being an alpha representing procedure, services, or the item. And then finally, we have the appendices, and what's included in the appendices is going to vary by publisher, but you might find the following: modifiers, abbreviations, acronyms, table of drugs, Medicare references, and then changes and deleted HCPCS codes for the current year. You can reach me at 972-730-7285 should you have any questions about this presentation or anything in the classroom. Thank you and enjoy your session.